So today, there is a new book. Yeah, wonderful, wonderful. The power of who. So we discussed already who, not how. We discussed already buy back your time. Now this is the book related to the same genre. Wonderful book. Wonderful book. The power of who. Okay. And there is another book is also there. Never eat alone. Okay. If you network, importance of network building. If you are going to, if you are going to build a wonderful network, because we discussed multiple times who is the shortcut for your success. A wonderful book. Very soon you people can expect this series. Okay. So not only this, So just remember only one point. Known is drop, unknown is ocean. Okay, if you reborn 100 times, still there is some knowledge is there to learn. Still there is a pending knowledge is there to learn. Your learning should be continuous journey. Every day you are the student. At least 1 hour, at least half an hour, or at least 2 minutes. I require to learn something new. Better to keep this point in your mind. Okay, keep on. The most successful people in the world are having book reading habit. Okay, better to build that habit. If you are unable to read, better to attend my life skill session. Definitely. So more than this book, I will inject in your mind like anything. Okay. So what is the title?
Power of who?
Power of
Who?
Power of who? You already know. Everyone you need to know. Bob Budine. Okay.
Sir, that is paperback edition, original one.
Original. Okay, it's the original. Earlier, my mindset was, if I take any book, up to completing that book, I won't come out. Okay. I'm not in a position to come out until completing that book. But these days, the cinema got changed. At least 10 minutes, at least 2 minutes every day. Someday, the book is going to be completed. Earlier, I'm always going to keep full effort until completing that book. But these days, I'm not giving that much importance. Okay, like every day, at least 2 minutes, at least 1 page, at least 2 pages. Obviously, one fine day, the book is going to be completed. Consistency beats
motivation,
consistency beats
Real success.
consistency beats
skill,
consistency beats intensity. Intensity means doing huge, keeping your huge effort randomly. Today, you are studying 10 hours. Tomorrow, gap. Day after tomorrow, gap. After 4 days, again you are going to study some 6 hours. There are 3 days or 4 days or 1 week gap. Next again, study 4 to 5 hours. Okay, this is what intensity. Keeping full effort randomly. Okay, like, but so consistency means doing small, but continuously you require to do that. That thing is the consistency. Remember, any activity, dosto, any activity, if you are going to do the things consistently, wow, that thing itself is enough, okay, for automatic success.